Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. My name is Gigi, for those that don't know. So, girl, you guys see the title, right? I'm using a tinted moisturizer. I feel like this is the bomb. I think I found my perfect tinted moisturizer because I never usually use tinted moisturizers, and I have before in the past, but never have I ever loved anything as much as I love this. It's a new Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromanic Tinted Glow Hydrator. That's a long. So, girl, I don't know. It costs $29, yes. But I feel like it's cheaper than some of the ones that are out there. It's pretty thick, you guys. There is about like 12 shades, I believe. I want to say, quote me if I'm wrong, but I'll have everything down below. But I am super impressed, you guys. I am impressed. Urban Decay, you guys did it. Period. So again, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit subscribe button down below, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. That just helps me out. This helps your girl out, and it, you know, it keeps me motivated to keep doing tutorials for you guys. So if you want to see how it performed, how it looked, then let's just get into the tutorial. I'll see you guys in the tutorial. All right, love, so now that you guys know what the tutorial is going to be about, I'm going to be showing you guys, this is the new foundation. It's a Stay Naked Hydromanic Tinted Glow Hydrator. It's so long, but this is the beautiful packaging. It is so gorgeous. Like, I'm obsessed. So for the shade range, there's like about, I think, 12 shades. They sent this over to me. So they sent over the shade 51 medium, which I'm not sure how it's going to be. Just wanted to keep it all Urban Decay, so this is the palette that I use. That's how it looks. Very pretty. All right, so because we're doing all, kind of like all Urban Decay stuff right now, so we're going to take the All Nighter Ultra Glow Face Primer. It's a dewy primer. I'm only going to take it like on the outer parts of my face, and then I'm taking the matte version of this one on my T-zone. Oh shoot, I think I put too much. So I actually really love this stuff. It keeps your makeup on all night, all day. Let me read you the claims for this. It says, a long-wear tinted glow hydrator infused with kombucha, filtrate, and marula oil for 24-hour hydration, cover, and fresh glow. Okay, so we're gonna test this out. All right, so for the actual packaging, it's in this little squeezy tube, which I like this because it's like travel friendly. It's like, you know it's not gonna break, and the packaging is just really, really pretty. I love it. They sent over the shade 51. It does have 35 ml, so it's 1.1 fluid ounces. So the life shelf for this is like 12 months. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this one like on the outer parts of my face. So this is like more like a silicone-y kind of type of feel. Open it, it looks like this. See that? That's what it looks like. So it is pretty thick. It's not like really runny. Like, look, it's thick. Oh yeah, it's staying there. It's really thick. We are gonna apply it with our finger first because it feels like foundation. Like, doesn't even feel like a tinted moisturizer. Usually tinted moisturizers are very like thin, like watery. Let me move my hair because, girl. So I am going to be taking a brush for this. So this is the Anastasia A30 brush. It looks like this. It's going to go in. Okay. Let me see. It looks lighter. I probably could go with the darker one, but we will make it work. What do you guys think? Yeah, it's lighter, but I like the coverage. Okay. So yeah, I'm loving the coverage right now. For a tinted moisturizer, it's actually giving me like a lightweight like foundation type of feel, you know? So we're gonna apply more because why not? I'm gonna look scared. Just to see how buildable it is, you know? I know I look like crazy, but it's okay. It's okay. Probably I'll be like number 50, maybe a 52 or something. Maybe I could do like a 2 shades darker because I could see how light it looks. It looks crazy. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender to blend out the brush strokes. That's why I don't really like brush, because it always happens like that. Like it always gets those little strokes, and that's why I just love beauty blenders, you know? So I'm actually loving the coverage it's giving me and the nice glow. I don't know if you guys could see. It's like really glowy. Like my face looks like gloss. I want to see how I'm at it. I just love that. So again, I could do a little darker, but this is what we're going to do right now. I don't have another shade. But for sure, I'm actually really liking it. For it being a tinted foundation, I'm actually loving it. I don't know, I have to go with another layer because I'm still going to do like my face routine. I'm still going to do cream contour and my concealer. So I'll be right back with my finished face. That way I can show you guys like the finished product. Okay, so for powder, I'm going to be using this one, the All Nighter. I powdered up. I know I look crazy, but I'm going to make it come to life right now. So yeah, this is an OG but goodie bronzer. It's the Beach Bronzer in bronze, sorry. This one is everything. Stamping it because I did cream contour. So then I'm gonna go in, bronzing my face. Another OG but goodie. I think it looks really, really flawless, you guys. Like, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. So that's it, you guys. I'm in love. Like, I'm super, super impressed. Everything came out so good. I feel like I did a full coverage foundation look. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did everything I do when I do my makeup. Everything. So just it being so thick, like, and full coverage pretty much, it's like you can build it up for sure. You can build it up. And it was hydrating. I feel like I don't have really like makeup on my face. Like I feel it a little bit, but not like heavy, you know what I mean? But I think it looks so good. Like, I'm in love. Like, if you guys are looking for a good tinted moisturizer, I say go splurge on this. It is $29, but girl, it worked out. It worked out so pretty, and I love it. So I'm gonna leave you guys off right here. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed to my channel yet. Hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post, and hit the like. With that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.